What's up guys? In this Adobe Premiere Pro guide, I will show you how to use this awesome template to create over 100 amazing title intros in a matter of minutes. You can download this template by visiting the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. You can sign up for a 7-day free trial and download the Premiere Pro template. You will also get access to thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for Premiere and other creative apps. The download will take a minute to complete, and you can locate this file in your Downloads folder. Most Envato Elements files will be compressed. To unzip this file on your Windows PC, simply right-click the zip file and select to extract the entire file in your Downloads folder. You can follow the same steps on your Mac. After unzipping the file, a new folder will open up. When this is done, open Premiere Pro. Once the application is open, add a video or image to your timeline. Next, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Window. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, locate and select Essential Graphics. This action will open the Essential Graphics panel. Now, in order to use the downloaded title template, click here. Your File Explorer will open up. Locate the 100 Minimal Titles template for Premiere Pro and select to open it in Premiere Pro. For now, open the Premiere Pro Essential Graphics file. When this is done, choose any folder containing animated titles. In this example, I will open the Modern Titles folder. Once the folder is open, select any title and click Open. The selected title has now been added to the Essential Graphics section. To find the chosen title, you can either type its name in the search bar or scroll down until you locate it. Once found, double-click or drag it onto the timeline. Now, double-click the title file. This will open the properties of the animated title. Here, under Edit, in the first, second, and third source text fields, enter your desired text. As an example, I will enter Tech How in the first source text, Genuine and Easy in the second, and Tutorials in the third. Below, you can scale the text. You can resize the text according to your preferences to achieve the desired visual effect. You also have the option to change the title's color. To do so, click the first color picker and select a color for your first text. For instance, I will choose yellow instead of white. Similarly, you can change the colors of the remaining text according to your personal preferences. Now, you can render the project for a smooth preview or click on Export, or press Ctrl and M on your keyboard to export the video. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.